Hey fellas, thanks for tuning into this video. Today I've got another beard oil to tell you all about. I picked this one up off of Amazon. It's the Great Before Shave Gentleman's Blend Beard Oil. So a couple of weeks ago I picked up a bunch of different beard oils on Amazon, and I've sort of been stockpiling them and giving them a try until I could shoot all the videos at once. So what drew me to this one was the Bourbon and Sandalwood blend. I think these are two scents that when blended together work really well. And this didn't disappoint. The scent is light and the blend results in a very sweet bourbon smell. It actually works really well. So let's talk about the different oils that are inside of this beard oil. There is tea tree oil, pure apricot oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil. There's also vitamin E and aloe vera along with the essential oils that add the scent to it. That blend makes it great for guys who have sensitive skin, have a lot of beard drift, have a lot of beard hair loss, or your beard is dry or brittle. The tea tree oil is also great for addressing ingrown hairs or acne. So that oil blend results in a very thin, light-colored beard oil. This is very much in line with most beard oils that I've reviewed. However, I do like thicker oil blends. The Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil is one that comes to mind. Let's talk price. This 1 ounce bottle goes for $13 per ounce. That's double the Honest Amish price per ounce, but still $13 isn't highway robbery, so the price wouldn't dissuade me from buying it again. If you like a sweet bourbon smell, thin consistency, or have any of the beard conditions I mentioned earlier, this might be a good choice. Also, if you're a bearded goth kid, this would fit in really well in your bathroom, coffin, or mausoleum. So that's my review of the Gentleman's Blend Beard Oil from Great Before Shave. It's a decent product. It didn't blow me away, but I'll have no problems using it up. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more beard product reviews every week. See you next time.